Okay, I'm recording.
You're recording right now.
Mm-hmm. What if those guys shoot that thing out of the sky? What are the chances of that, though?
Hello, and for everyone viewing, those gunshots you heard in the background were up on the hill, and they were not aimed at my drone because I did get the drone back with no bullet holes, and someone must have been target practicing up on the hill at Sunset Bay. I don't know what they were aiming at, but it wasn't at the drone, but we could hear it in the background. Now, we stopped at Sunset Bay here, me and my friend Kurt, to cook up some burgers and some dogs over in the bay where it's nice and calm and peaceful. And we were on our way from Mayfield up to the Sport Island pub where we were going to go up and enjoy a few drinks and the atmosphere up there, which we took the shortcut through Stump Alley and over by Northampton and Mosquito Bay, which I didn't film over there. I only had a couple batteries with me, and I wanted to use them to fly the following day over from up in Northville, which that'll be coming out soon. I have a really nice flight up in Northville where I took some pictures of the Sport Island pub and over by the Northville Bridge, which it was a quiet weekend. It's the weekend before Memorial Day, and not all the boats are in. As you can see, that there's a lot of empty slips. But by next weekend, I'm sure almost every single one of them slips will be completely full, and there will be a lot more people out on the lake next weekend. It's the unofficial beginning of summer for everyone up here, and most people are up by then. Of course, there will be those that wait till school lets out before they come up, and then usually by the end of June and the beginning of July, it's pretty packed up here. There's a lot going on. There'll be a lot of festivities, a lot of really cool opportunities for me to film some really cool stuff. Some of the events are really exciting and a lot of fun. Now, this is an absolutely gorgeous day. I worked till 2:30, rushed around, got everything together, and ran up to the boat where my friend Kurt met me. And we plan on spending the entire weekend out here, just cruising the lake, drinking beers, and having a good time. Now, my girlfriend couldn't make it out. Her jet ski will be going in the water soon, probably sometime in June, when she keeps it right on the docks, right by where I keep my boat. And hopefully I'll get some footage of her driving it, and she'll let me put it up, or maybe not. We'll see. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't, please subscribe. It'll help me get more great footage out to you, and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.